morning sa inyong lahat mga kapugo. Ngayon ay araw ng Sabado. Alas 11 na ng gabi sa Indonesia. Pero hindi po ako kumakain. Kaya bago ako kumain, papakita ko muna sa iyo ang aking ulam! Ito ang aking ulam. Chicken na naman. Chicken na naman. Yan. Nag-iiba na yung boses ko. Ibalik ko muna ito. Sandali lang. Pakita ko sa inyo ang aking setup ng aking mga camera. Ang aking pag-vlogging. Makikita niyo yun? Ilan yun? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At itong hawak ko ang pang-anim. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung sino-sino mga yan. Nakikita niyo yan? Sino yan? Si Poging Pugo. Eto, sino siya? Si Poging Pugo. Eto, sino naman? Si Poging Pugo na naman. At sino yung maliit na camera? Sino yung taong nasa loob ng maliit na camera? Si Poging Pugo na naman. Hahaha. At ako ang kanilang tatay. Okay? Hindi ako magbababay kasi yung babay ng aking video ngayon ay nandun sa susunod na video na to, yung aking MEP tutorial. At sana kahit hindi kayo MEP, supportahan niyo pa rin si Poging Pugo. At kung may kakilala kayong mga kaibigan na nagtatrabaho sa construction, pwede nyo i-recommend ang aking channel para naman magkaroon ako ng viewer ng mga MEP engineers. Okay? Hindi ako magbababay dahil yung continuation nito ay na doon sa kabilang video. Okay? See you guys! Let's go! Magandang gabing pumuli sa inyo mga kapugo. Andito naman ako para sa aking pangatlong tutorial patungkol sa MEP, yung Revit software. Tonight, our topic is about the ACMB ducting coloring. In ACMB ducting coloring system, we have the supply air duct, exhaust air duct, return air duct, fresh air duct, kitchen exhaust air duct, kitchen supply duct, toilet exhaust duct, and smoke pressurization duct, and lobby pressurization duct. This is the commonly used ducting system in a construction. For as I said before, for the non-MEP, even you don't understand my blog, my content, please still support me. So in order for me to continue my blogging regarding the MEP Revit software. And doon pa lang sa mga bagong naliligaw sa aking channel na kung ikaw ay MEP o working in a construction industry, maaari po kayo mag-subscribe sa akin, and then follow lang sa aking mga future na mga susunod na mga topic. Okay? Let's start. So this is the complete model of the ducting. In the left side there is a ducting layout, complete ducting layout. But tonight our focus only is for the coloring. Okay, let's start now. In my this is the Revit link from the structural and architectural. Okay. This architectural and coordination, in my previous blog I already discussed how to arrange the folder, how to manage the discipline and sub-discipline folder. Maybe you can check my previous blog, this portion. Okay, now let's go to the ducting system. Before we do the coloring, we must know there is the what we call the families in the Revit software. This is the already installed in a Revit software. And then now we go to the ducting. For the ducting is here. The ducting system. As you can see in the ducting system, there is exhaust air, return air, and supply air. So this is the basic system in the Revit software. Our topic for today is make coloring for the ducting. We will create first the supply air duct, exhaust and return, and etc. Okay, as you can see, exhaust air, under the duct system there is a exhaust air. In order for you to the ducting system, just highlight this exhaust air, duplicate, and then we will rename it into AAD. I abbreviate exhaust air duct. Oh my god, sorry. Air. Okay. So once you created the exhaust air duct, as in my drawing, so again, the number 2, we will follow this exhaust air duct. So the color is 0250150, is a green color. So in order for you to make a to assign the color after you duplicate the exhaust air, just right click, type properties, and then automatically type properties dialog box appear. And then under material category here, click and then create the materials, create new materials, and then rename to EAD, exhaust air duct. So the assigned color is 0250150. And then under the surface pattern, always click the solid, and then the color 0250 and then 150. Okay. And then the cut pattern should be solid also. Okay, now all green color, and then we go to the appearance, and then assign color 0250 and 150. Okay. Now the created materials now with the assigned color. Okay, after that apply. Okay, and then okay. And then after that we create type DT, or you can look for the, see this one, under the system there is a duct. If you hover the cursor, then you can see the DT, type DT. And then after you what? Oh sorry, lopat. I need lopat. My laptop suddenly lopat. Okay. Now back to the tutorial. See, already created the ducting for the exhaust air, but the color is still blue. So in order for you to make this ducting green color, under the properties, look for the mechanical system, and then look for the exhaust air duct like this. Okay. Okay. Now the color is like there is no shade. It's only a line. So in order for you to have the green color hats, you can go to the template. This creating the template here is I already discussed in my previous blog. You can check my previous blog how to make the view template. Okay, from the level 2 MBAC, go to the display from here, and then see the hidden line, meaning no hats. Okay, if you check the shaded style, apply, okay, and then become the green color. And now next is supply air duct. The assigned color is 0250. Remember, 0250 250 supply air duct. Okay, under the, but we already created the exhaust air duct. Now supply air, just double click, not double click, just click, right click, duplicate, and then type SAD, supply air duct. Okay, so same procedure in the exhaust air duct. From here, type properties, edit, choose the category by category, and then create new material, and then rename it again, and then change the rename to SAD, supply air duct. So now the supply air duct is still a gray color, so we will assign to 0 250 250. Okay, and then for the surface pattern, always use solid, and then 0 250 250. Apply, and same procedure. And for the appearance, apply, apply. Now we already create the supply air duct and its color. So type again DT. D means dog and T as in tango. This is a shortcut for the ducting. DT, and then put here. Again, the color is still the gray because the ducting is not yet assigned to the according to the system type. So in order for you to make it this one cyan, we call it cyan color in Revit Word, that color. From here, go from the properties, and then go to the mechanical again. See my arrow, and then system type. Choose the supply air duct that we created in the duct system. Apply. Now the color now is cyan and green, and then next is these are now the coloring of the ducting according to our sample tutorial, and then we will make the only ducting system in coloring. So TX instead for the text ducting, TX ducting coloring. Okay, wait a minute. Ducting system in coloring. Okay, ducting system in coloring. Ducting system in coloring. Okay, since this one is small, the text size is very small, it's at 2.5. We can scroll down into 7 mm like this. So this is now the sample of our ducting system and its coloring. As you can see in the sample drawing, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Meaning in the duct system, this area, we added the 9 numbers for the different kinds of ducting system. Number 1 is the see the exhaust air duct 1, the first air duct, kitchen exhaust duct. This one should delete na. Okay, no. And then kitchen supply duct, lobby pressurization ducting, supply air duct, and then the supply pressurization ducting, and the last one is the toilet exhaust duct. So these are the additional duct system we created. But this the highlighted one is the duplicate ducting system. The original, the default in the repeat is the exhaust, return, and supply. Only 3. Okay guys, I hope you can learn something about the coloring of the ducting. And then for the next topic, because I will shorten my video, because if this one is 30 minutes, it's very boring to watch. So the next topic I'm going to discuss is the type of ducting, this thing, the mitered, radius elbow, radius flange, and ducting layout. Our next video would be the we will try to make a ducting layout, and we will make a simple 3D and then one section. One by one I will create the tutorial. Just follow only in my channel, and always review my first vlog for the another topics in the BIM MEP review. So so far now we created the ducting system coloring, and then maybe the next video is we will try to complete the ducting layout somewhere here. If you want to request my architectural and structural model, maybe you can send email to me, and then I will try to give you the Revit files for the structural and architectural. So in my next topic, so together we will do the ducting layouts. Same is sample of drawings. And by the way, I want to correct my terms in the topic, because I always say drawing. When we say drawing, it meaning AutoCAD, because I used to use the AutoCAD drawings. That's why I always say drawing, but should be model. For the BIM, should be model. For the AutoCAD, should be drawing. So that is the difference between Revit and AutoCAD. Okay, that's it, guys. If you have friends working in the construction industry and using the AutoCAD, and then you can ask your friend that we have a topic for the Revit model if they want to learn the Revit. Okay, guys, for the my tutorial now is done. See you again for my next video. And maraming salamat po. Sana lagi po ako suportahan kahit yung aking vlog ay technical. Okay, bye. See you. Babush!